Fix this. When you are in the automatic repair loop, click on the advanced options and go to troubleshoot and find advanced options. Then click on the command prompt. Here we need to execute few commands. Let's start with first. Type boot rec space / fix mbr, then press enter. The next command, type boot rec space / fix boot, then press enter. Third command, type bcd edit space / export space c : /bcd backup, then press enter. Now type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s, then press enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then press enter. If you see that the system cannot find the file specified, try with T or E drives. So then type boot rec space / rebuild bcd, then press enter. If you find any yes or no options, then say yes and hit enter, and hope in sometimes you will get an error like your system cannot find the file specified. In such cases, play with the different drives. So I have typed C drive. So in such cases, change it to D or E, then type. That's it, friends. This is how we can easily fix that the 0xC00001 error, or if your PC needs